Oh.
Tell me what number you see. Okay, can you write 7? Across, yeah, and down. Down, all the way down. Go down, keep going, you got it. Good. Right here. First you draw a line across, all the way down. You got it. A circle at the top and a circle at the bottom. Girl, you got it. Good job.
I think I tried to film.
It's okay. Can you write another 8? Right here on this page. A circle at the top, and a circle at the. So Miss Brenda is gonna write 7. 7 is a line across, stop. A line down, stop. You see 7?
Yeah.
Can you write 7 for me?
Okay.
And a line down. Yes! You got it! You want to write another 7 right here? A line across and a line down. Yes! Yes! You got it! Good job. Miss Brenda is going to write 8. 8 is a circle at the top and a circle at the bottom. What number is that?
8.
8. Can you write 8?
Yeah.
A circle at the top and a circle at the bottom. Wow! You got it! Can you write another 8 right here? Write a little bit circle, a little small circle, okay? And another circle at the bottom. At the bottom. 8! Good job! You got it! You are so smart!